5 essential tips every breastfeeding mother should know. Point number 1, nutrition is the key. Your diet matters more than ever. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruit, vegetables, and proteins supports your milk production and also your health. Hydration is very crucial, and I recommend you to drink plenty of water to keep milk flowing smoothly. Point number 2, timing and patience. Breastfeeding is not about just feeding, it's a bonding journey. It might take time for you and your baby to get it right. Remember, every baby has a unique feeding pattern. Trust your baby's cues and your instincts. Point number 3, comfort matters. Find a comfortable spot and a position. A relaxed body encourages better milk flow and makes the process enjoyable for both. I would recommend you to have a comfortable clothing and also a support pillows if required. Understanding supply is point number 4. Your body is incredible. It adjusts to your baby's needs. More nursing is equals to more milk. Don't stress about supply without any cause. If concerned, I would recommend you to consult with your doctor. Point number 5, support system. Surround yourself with a supportive tribe. Whether it's your family, your partner, or a breastfeeding support group, don't hesitate to ask for help or advice from your doctor at least. Remember, it's okay to have mixed feelings. You're doing great, and it's important to take care of your mental health too. I would like to give a bonus tip. Every drop of breast milk is precious. You're providing the best start for your little one. Celebrate this beautiful journey and trust that you are enough. For personal advice and concern, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Together, let's make your breastfeeding journey smooth and fulfilling with my parenting advisor. For more tips and personalized care, follow us and turn on your post notifications. Let's nurture the future one baby at a time. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Shravan Krishna, Pediatrician.